Draw the circle x minus 1 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 9. So in order to draw the equation of this circle, we need two important pieces of information because the drawing tool even depends on those. It's the center of the circle and some point that exists on the circle. From this form, which is called the center radius form of the circle, or the standard form of a circle, we can get the pieces of information that we need. So the center radius form is, of course, of the form x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared, where h and k are the values of our center, but because there's a minus in front of each of these in the equation, we take the opposite. So the center of our circle in this case is going to be not at -1, -2, but instead at +1, +2. We take the opposite of those values. And then the radius here is not 9. The radius, this constant in the equation, is equal to r squared. If r squared is 9, then r, the radius, is 3. So in order to draw this circle, we need to find the coordinate 1, 2, and that's going to be our center. And then using a radius of 3, if you go 3 units in any direction, left, right, up, or down, that will give you, you can use those points as references to exactly what your radius is, and then the circle can just be drawn in from there. But the computer tools, and I think I went too far on this one, 1, 2, yeah, 3. All right, but the computer tools will actually draw those for you automatically, as long as you have the center and the radius value. So let's see how that works. The only option we have for the drawing tool is a circle. So when you come up here, you'll see a pencil begin, and that pencil tells you that you're drawing the circle. The first thing it needs is the center. So just locate your center, which is at 1, 2, and click. And it will snap to those points, so you don't have to worry about being too close. And then the radius of 3, if you just go to the right 1, 2, 3 units, that will give you the circle of radius 3. Then just hit submit, and as long as you've drawn it properly, you should get the correct answer.